Hello everyone, I am here with another unboxing from your creative studio. I just received the November box, and it is the December collection. It is the blue floral collection. So we are going to jump in here. I've not looked at it yet. It is still in the box. It is this blue floral. Look at that, how pretty. Let's jump in here and see what we got. I do not know what it looks like. I just know it is the blue floral collection. Is what she told me. So let's just take everything out here. Oh, I'm seeing the blue florals. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Oh, look at the pears. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to dig into this one. I absolutely love, love, love their products. And I'm getting ready to do a video with the last collection. I am sorry, I am so behind. I had surgery. Of course, there was a couple of things that happened in my life that I've not told, because I did not do my life update video. It's just been too hard for me, and I will do that, but I didn't get to do my video that I wanted to do with your creative studio products for the last kit yet, so I'm going to be doing that video soon, using the last products I had. They were like the recipe cards and things that I'm going to make, so we're going to be doing those real soon. Okay, so let's start with this one. This says classic round. Oh, I think these are I better not say that, because then I'll be wrong, and then I'll open it up. It says original sticker brick. Let's see. I'm hoping they're labeled. They are. Okay. So these are a bunch of labels. Oh, look at this. You get the red, the blue, and the green. And look at that. Look how many you get. I love labels. And they are stickers. Look how nice those are. You get all the colors. Oh, I love that. So let's put that over here. That right there. Those will be very, very handy. And then this just says travel. That's all I can see on the back. Let's see what we got here. These, I think these are just like cards. I don't think they're stickers. Now we're getting paper. So is it all paper? Or is it just the one card? Okay, just the one is card. And these, I love these because these are so nice for layering. Oh, I love this. Look at this. It looks, let's see. Can I see? Berlin. I'm trying to see New York. It's just all over the place. Travel. Oh, I love that. Little stamps. Airmail. All kinds of stuff. Oh, that is so nice. That is really nice there. This is a washi tape right here. If it's that blue floral, it would be gorgeous, wouldn't it? I don't know what it would be, but... And it is. It is that blue. Oh, my goodness. Where's the end? Where's the end? Why can I not find... There it is. My nails need painted so bad. I'm not painting my nails. I had surgery and on Valentine's Day, mind you. And so I've not been in to get my nails painted. So yeah, it's going to be, I guess, probably another week I'll go in. Oh my goodness, look at that. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Oh, blue and floral. I am obsessed. That is gorgeous. Absolutely. I am loving that blue floral. That is so pretty. Yes. Yes, please. Okay, I gotta look at these because they're just like staring at me. These are tabs with that blue floral. And, oh, my heart. These are perfect for a journal. Not only your journals, but planners. This would be perfect in my planner. Look at that. See if they're all the same, which, oh no, they're different. So you have some that's plain without the floral. Then these have the floral in the front. Also, there's only 2 with floral. And then, well, that is a bummer. So these are plain. They just have like this, I don't know, like, well, gosh, I'm not even in frame. I'm sorry. Flipping through it. Let's try that again, Lisa. So they have this like stone design this way and this way. They just have this label. Different like stone look here. And then these 2 on top just had the floral. So I'm a little upset about that because I was hoping they all had that floral. Kind of a bummer, but I do like them. I like the tabs. You could take, you know, washi stickers where they're clear. You could put them right on top with some florals and decorate them up. That would be a good idea for these. So, because I do like I love the tabs. But I wish they did all have the floral, but they're still a win. Still really nice. Okay, let's see what this is. Black and White Collection, Plant Small Bean Series. So here we have some vellum, which you can never go wrong with vellum. Let's see if I can, trying to get close enough, but I feel like I'm always right in your face. Let's see, this back here is paper, and then of course the front half is vellum. I think you guys know how this one works. Look at that, I love that. Love the florals. Love, love, love it. And then in the back, let's see if I can do it this way. I want you guys, well, for heaven's sakes. Okay, there we go. You got some paper back there. There's a lot there to pick from. So those are really nice. There. And then we have a cling stamp. We've got 2 stamps here. Really excited to see what these are. Wish I wouldn't have ripped that bag. That would have been nice to keep that bag. So here is, come on, focus in there. Can you see that? How pretty. How pretty. You really can't tell from the back, but I'm going to show you. So there's that. Oh, that is beautiful. Love it, love it. I need to get my stamps out and use them. There we go. Now we got this one. I love these bags. Let's use these in my journals. Oh, wow, look at that one. Look how, no, the light's right on it. There you go. That's very pretty. You see all the detail. These stamps, everyone I've stamped, they have a very good impression. Very nice stamps. I love these stamps. Those are really, really nice. Right there. And I gotta look at this first. Let me look at this little, oh, I'm just loving this little suitcase. It's got Paris on it. I can tell it's empty, but it is so adorable. Look, it's got the Eiffel Tower, which I collect these little, anything with Eiffel Towers around my craft room. Oh, this is just gorgeous. And look at that. You could keep vintage stamps or any little small, tiny ephemera, little sewing things like your needles and stuff right on your desk. So many buttons, you know, anything you wanted to keep, you could just keep it right on your desk. How cute is that? Oh, I'm obsessed with that little thing. That is so awesome. I absolutely love, love, love this collection. This is like my favorite one so far, which, you know, I'm liable to say that all the time, but you guys have got to get this one. It's, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. These are absolutely just beautiful. Look at that. And it is blue, but it's like a, it's almost indigo. You know, it's almost to that lavender, which makes it so much prettier. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, let's see here what we have. The paper ephemera. I like these small strips like this. You know, we usually have the bigger papers. I like getting something different once in a while. And if you can see, that was half of it is like the rose at the bottom. And then you have some plain. And this, it looks textured. I don't know if you can see that. It almost looks like a wallpaper. And you have like, almost like, it looks painted. Kind of, at some point it even looks like a stone, but it's not. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Love those. Love, love. Put this over here. Oh, look at those sticky notes. I'm obsessed with sticky notes. I love my sticky notes, and now my husband keeps finding all my good ones in my craft room, and he will take them. If I can get this off here, I'll show you. He takes them and leaves me notes all over my craft room. And I mean, they are everywhere. They are on my television, on the wall. They're on my door. They are all over my craft room. So I told him, I was like, okay, there's some that are off limits. So I gave him some he could use. But is that not sweet of him? Oh, I love these. Oh, those look pretty. Those are really pretty. And I use sticky notes in my Bible, on my Bible pages when I want to write extra notes. And these, I think I will use in my Bible because they are just so pretty. I don't want to use them up. Those are very pretty. I love, 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 love those. Okay, and then here we have, I think, paper. I think this is more of the paper collection. Let's see. Oh, this kit is just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, and so this is kind of like a cardstock, where it is, you know, it's thicker. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is too pretty to even be cut. Look at that. And here's like a plain one for your background. There's another one. This has got some lace at the top. Come on, focus. There you go. Yeah, very, very pretty. There's like a stamp. You can see that what's been stamped right there. Very pretty. There's like stamps just, you know, around the, let's see, there you go. Around there. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's another one right there. I love the stamps. Like the postage stamp, just stamped. Oh gosh, there's another one there. I love that. I just think it adds so much. Just the little details. That is so pretty. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite one right there. I like that one too, but yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. And then the washi. Look at this, the washi strips. Is that what you're calling these? Floral masking sticker set? Yeah. And then there's some that's bigger, like squares, and then you get bigger, bigger strips. These are nice to have. You could put these in your planner and just have a sheet of them with you. So you have 2 of these, exactly the same. Then you have one like this. It's a lot bigger, which is a nice option to have. And then you have this. And so there is 4 squares here and here. which these are beautiful. I love that they chose these patterns. These are more of a neutral, but they go great with the papers. I like that. Very, very pretty. And then this, you get more of a variety. Very, very pretty. And I like here, they've got an actual holly, because this came out in December. So they gave you this little holly strip there for December. Because their kits aren't seasonal, which are, you know, for your holidays, which I like that, because I didn't, you know, I wouldn't want like a holiday kit. I like having a neutral kit so you can use it continually all year round. That's just my preference. So I like that they do that. But yeah, that is nice that they added just that little bonus there. I think that's nice. I really, really, really love this kit. You guys have got to go check them out. This kit is a definite win for me. Everything about it I loved. I love that we got labels this time. You know, you get the blue, the green, and the red. Plenty of them, my goodness. Yeah, so there's a lot of labels there. You can even put your labels in here if you wanted. I love these. Like I said, these could be used for planner, journal, you know, even your Bible, anything like that that you were using. And the washi is amazing. I love the collar. There's so many good things about this collection. I'm very, very, very happy with it. So go check them out. I will link them below. And I will also be doing that video soon with the last collection. I'm wanting to kind of explore some of the stamps and things, so be watching for that. And thank you guys for watching so much, and wait and be watching for my next unboxing, which should be soon, I hope. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.